Crypto is continuing to plummet, and honestly, it's not fun to see your portfolio down 10 to 20% in less than 24 hours. So in today's video, we're going to talk about exactly why crypto is continuing to fall and if this is something we should be worried about. Should we be selling or should we be buying more? We're also going to go over a couple of key things that no one is talking about outside of technical indicators, things that are going on overseas with the overall market. So if you guys enjoy this sort of content, well, let me know by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, and if you want access to the Discord, because I've been getting a lot of questions about how to get free access to the Discord, well, make sure to like the video, and if we get this video up to 4,000 likes, I'm going to open up Discord for everyone, no matter if you're part of the Patreon, and no matter if you're even subscribed to the channel. It's going to be open to everyone if we get the video to 4,000 likes. Anyways, right now the entire crypto market is down about 12 to 13%. We're seeing Bitcoin's price drop to $40,000 per coin. We're seeing Ethereum's price drop below $3,000 per coin, dropped as low as $2,800 per coin. And many people are getting very worried. Not only Bitcoin, Ethereum, but we're seeing all the other altcoins take big hits as well. Cardano dropped below $2 per coin. Solana dropped below $125 per coin. XRP is well below $1. And people are just very, very worried. So first is what's going on with the overall market. Like many people have said, what's been talked about on this channel and on many other channels on YouTube is the whole situation going on in China. The reason why the market is falling, both the stock market and crypto, is because of fears coming from China's second largest property developer by sales called Evergrande Real Estate Group. Many people are worried about the possibility of them defaulting, and this could have a sort of domino effect on the markets. So that has been the main reason why we're seeing stock market and crypto fall. We're not going to go too much into the details, but just know it's because of this one company and mostly real estate in general in China and the bubble that has happened there. So that is why we are seeing both stocks and crypto fall. Now, the question is this valid? Should we be seeing crypto really fall this much, or is this just a lot of FUD coming out of China? Me personally, I think right now what we're seeing is an extreme overreaction. Every single time we see some news come out of China, whether it's regards to them outright banning crypto, whether it's them banning crypto miners, whether it's what's going on with this property developer, whatever we're seeing, it usually seems to have an overreaction in the market for crypto. Every time we see something like this happen, we see a massive drop in crypto's price. We saw it a couple months ago when crypto was at an all-time high. We saw it plummet, and that was what sort of started that market consolidation period. The only time that we started to see it bounce back was once we saw a big announcement come out in crypto, which happened to be the Bitcoin, the B-Word Day event with Jack Dorsey, Elon Musk, and Cathie Wood. But anyways, so I think this is an overreaction. Why? Well, not only does this not really have direct impacts on crypto, but also we are seeing institutional investors not stop investing in crypto. They're doubling down and investing more money. So to me, that's a sign that overall the market, nothing has really changed in terms of overall sentiment. Yes, people are getting a little bit scared right now, but from the big money players, they're using this as an opportunity to buy in. Within the last 24 hours, we have seen that Coinbase came out and said that they are rolling out their Coinbase, it's called Coinbase Prime, which is their Coinbase software for institutional investors, and they said they're rolling this out of beta, and they already have 9,000 institutions enlisted. This makes up a big portion of their business. Over 60% of their revenue comes from institutions, and now they're officially rolling this out and launching it out of beta. The second thing that we're seeing is also with a new report I went over earlier in the day. I'll link the video down below, but CoinShares Digital Asset Fund Flows weekly report shows that institutional investors had net positive inflows moving into crypto. A couple of weeks in the past, we've seen outflows, but this week we saw over $41.6 million flow into crypto investment related products. Not just Bitcoin, Ethereum, but also into coins like Solana, Ripple, Cardano, Polkadot, Litecoin, and a number of other coins as well. Third thing going on is with El Salvador. The president of El Salvador just came out and said that they bought the dip. They bought 150 Bitcoin, and they said now they own over 700 coins. So when we're starting to see all these things line up, we're seeing that El Salvador added more Bitcoin to their position on the drop. We're seeing that institutional investors are not only buying into Bitcoin and Ethereum, but they're also getting into some of the smaller altcoins, according to this research report from CoinShares. And we're also seeing that Coinbase is continuing to roll out institutional investment related softwares and products for their customers. So all these things combined show me that in terms of big money players, in terms of whale accounts, we're in a very healthy position. Whether the market is falling because of FUD coming out of China, whether whatever's going on in the market, that doesn't really matter, because we're seeing the big money players are doubling down, buying more, rolling out new products, getting into new altcoins, and that is exactly what I'm doing. I'm continuing to invest and buy this whole way down for a lot of my favorite altcoins, like we talk about in the Patreon group, for even Bitcoin. And we're continuing to add into all the positions in our Patreon group. So me personally, I think what's going on right now is an overreaction. Yes, it can be sustained, it can trigger a crypto winter, but ultimately you got to ask yourself, are you in crypto for the long term? Do you think 5 years from now prices are going to be higher? And if you do, well then I'm not going to try and time the market. I'm just going to buy because I think crypto is going to be more established, going to continue to grow 5 years from now. And if I think it's going to be bigger 5 years from now, there's no point of trying to time the market. I'll just continue to dollar cost average, whether prices go up, whether prices go down. I'm going to continue to buy into my positions. That's me personally. That's what I think. I think all this data really shows that it's a bit of an overreaction coming out of China, shows that institutions are doubling down. But let me know what you guys think. I'm curious to see what you guys have to say. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Hope you have a great rest of the day. See ya.